In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a unique e-commerce purchasing experience using Commerce.js. Without writing any code, you'll be able to customize your product displays, cart, and checkout for both mobile and desktop. And when you're done, we'll one-click publish your array to the web. But before we get started, we need to set up our account. Head over to the settings section in the dashboard. Here, you can set your merchant details and the name that you'll be selling under. Under the Payment Gateway section, you can add your own payment gateway, or in this case, we'll just use the test gateway for testing. Then head over to Shipping, and you can set where you'll ship your products and how much that will cost. And finally, enable tax if you want to collect tax on your products. Great, now let's add some products. Head over to the Product section and create a product. Let's look at one that I've already created. Here, I've made the title of the product, I've set a quantity, written a short description, and added a price. I've added an image for the product, and I've required that the shipping address must be set. I've also enabled shipping on the product. I'm also able to set variants on this product, such as size. Don't forget to save your product. Great, now we're ready to create our Commerce Ray. Commerce Rays is a no-code visual page builder that lets anyone create customizable product and checkout experiences. Let's go ahead and create our first ray. Here we have a few themes that we can choose from. Gleam is well suited for a single product or bundle and has just a checkout. Glint is ideal for digital products and gift cards. And Beacon is for selling multiple products and comes with a cart and checkout. This is the one that we're going to be using for this example. When you select a theme, you'll see two main areas of the visual builder. On the left is where you make changes to the content on the right. And on the right is what your customers will see once your ray is published. At any stage, you can tab between mobile and desktop views to see how it looks on mobile. Let's quickly run through what we've got here on the left. Here we'll want to name our ray, and once you've named your ray, you can save it. Then we can select what products we want to sell, and we can give our ray a page title. Let's just make some changes here in the hero to see how this works. Here's my background image that I'm going to delete. I can change the title here. And I can also edit this description as well as the button text. In the color palette section, I can change the background color, I can change the text color, what this button should display. In the product details section, I can change these accent colors. Now that we've added some products into our array, we can actually add them into the cart. Now let's look at the checkout and make some edits there. In the checkout section, I can change the title of the checkout, the background color, the text color, as well as the checkout foreground color, the form field color, and any error text I can change what color that is. I've then got a sub-footer section where I can change and update reviews or validation, as well as a footer where I can add a logo, any links and contact information that I want my customers to be able to see. I've now created my ray and I'm ready to publish it to the web. I've created a ray name and a page title and I've saved it. At the top right, hit Save and Publish. Publishing your ray to the web can take a couple of minutes. You can either wait in the builder or you can go back here and you'll be able to see the link that it will be published to. At any stage, you can edit your ray if you need to make changes. Once you're finished editing, simply save and publish and the updates will be made. And here we have it. Now our Commerce Ray is published to the web. You can share this link and your customers can buy directly from you. If at any stage while you're creating your Commerce Ray and you run into problems, you have questions, or you just want to provide feedback on the experience, please get in touch with us at the bottom right-hand corner of the dashboard. Ask your question there and one of the team will be there to help you as soon as possible.